Have you ever seen any filaria person? Means filaria. You know what is filaria? Filaria caused by a parasite or a nematode called Wicheria bancrofti. This is filaria worm, right? Similarly, Ascaris lumbricoides. Ascaris lumbricoides causes ascariasis. So, filaria worm na rahile tomaro Wicheria bancrofti, Ascaris lumbricoides causes ascariasis. Third rahile tomaro Synodontitis elegans. ये जो Synodontitis elegans का शॉर्टकट रहला सी एलिगेंस कहते आर काम जेनेटिक्स एक्सपेरिमेंट जेनेटिक्स रो डिफरेंट एक्सपेरिमेंट and it is helpful in counting C value, that is how many base pairs are present in an organism. So filaria, ascariasis, Ascaris lumbricoides and cyclostoma. Hookworm. These are comes under nematodes, which are popularly called as roundworms. Today we are going to discuss about all these common members and their generalized characteristics. See, nematodes, these are mostly parasitic in nature. Some are terrestrial, aquatic, or free living. As its body cross section shows circular appearance, hence it is called as roundworm. Next, these are triploblastic, that is having ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. Next, body shows bilateral symmetry. Next, nematodes are pseudo filaments. Hydrolymph may present in it. Body wall contains outer epidermis, covered by thick cuticle. Thick cuticle. These are long, elongated with tapering end. Next, they may contains structures for attachment with host body. With host body. See, Nematohelminthes ର ଅନ୍ୟ ନାଁ ରହିଲା ତମର ରାଉଣ୍ଡର. ତମେ ପଢିଥିଲ ଅଙ୍କୁଶକ୍ରମୀ ବୋଲି. These are mostly parasites. Parasites means mind creatures which are depend on others for food, shelter, protection, etc. on host body. These are terrestrial, those who are present in soil, aquatic, water, and independent life freely. As its body cross section, see, if this is the structure of a nematode, this if you will cut, this is your DS and it will looks like circular. Hence, it is named as its body cross section shows circular appearance. Hence, it is called as roundel. तो जेहेतु तार क्रॉस सेक्शन में ट्रांसफर सेक्शन हम कट करिया तो राउंडेड अपीयरेंस आछे तेनु ताको राउंड बॉडी कहନ୍ତି. These are triploblastic means it contains 3 embryonic layers or 3 germ layers called ectoderm, mesoderm, and endoderm. Ecto means outer, derma means skin, meso means middle, derma means skin, endo means inner, derma means skin. Body shows bilateral symmetry. Bi means 2. Lateral means both these sides. Symmetry means having similarities. So these organisms shows both the left side and right side looks similar. These are pseudo filaments. See, pseudo means false. Pseudo means false. That means in case of coelomic region, here we found tissue patches that we discussed करथिले and pseudofilaments. So in this pseudocoelomic region, hydrolymph may be present. That means it is a body fluid which is present in it, and body contains outer body means you can say body wall. Also you can say body wall contains outer epidermis. Epi means outer, derma means skin. So epidermis covered by thick cuticle. These cuticles are helpful in protects them from environmental strains or you can say enzymatic reactions, and they will be removed out during molting. Molting माने जो सब माने गोटे स्टेज रे आउट कन्वर्ट करन. These are long, elongated, having tapering end means both ends are pointed ends. They may contain structures for attachment with host body. That it may be your hooks or spines or suckers. These are for attachment with the host body. Then, as these are parasites, that's why their body modified, adapted, or acclimatized to survive inside the host body. So here the physiological activities are also in the light of parasitic adaptation. See, alimentary canal is complete. Muscular pharynx muscular pharynx, and anus is present. Next, respiration takes place by body surface through diffusion. Next, circulatory organ flex. Excretion takes place by protonephridia. Next, neural system consists of circumpharyngeal ganglia, ventral nerve cord, and commissurus. Next, some sensory papilla may seen in nematodes. Next, sexual reproduction is common. See, elementary canal is complete. Elementary canal, also called as your food pipe or GI tract, food pipe or gastrointestinal tract. It is complete means although it is a parasite, still it bears certain organs which are advanced as comparison to lower pharynx. Muscular pharynx. So pharynx is the common junction for passage of food and air. And in case of human, we have nasopharynx, oropharynx, laryngopharynx, etc. It is the common pathway, and also anus. Anus is there for removal of undigested food material from body to outside. Now, respiration takes place by body surface, which occurs by diffusion. That means transfer from higher concentration to lower concentration, or it is a process of intermixing. Now, circulatory organ lacks, that means definite pumping organ does not seen here. Instead of it contains your hydrolymph, through which transportation of gases or food materials or waste materials are from one place to another place takes place. Now, excretion takes place by protonephridia. Proto means primitive, first, and nephridia term derived from nephron. You might have seen in your lower classes, this is the structure. This type of structure is there, having Bowman's capsule, glomerulus, etc. So this is seen in case of higher organisms, and it is in primitive form. Then neural system consists of circumpharyngeal ganglia. So what is ganglia? Compact neural mass, which is little bit S-shaped structure, having ventral nerve cord, which is synonyms to your spinal cord and also few fine thread-like structures which are more or less, you can say, helps in control and coordinations. Some sensory papilla may be seen in nematodes. Sensory papilla, as we have different types of receptor like photoreceptor, phonoreceptor, gustative receptor, tangoreceptor, olfactory receptor. Similarly, they contains different types of sensory papillas are there for response to different types of stimulus. Now, sexual reproduction is common. Means here asexual reproduction and regeneration completely does not seen in case of nematodes. So, male and female can easily distinguish from each other based on their appearance or their morphology. As they are different from each other through morphology, that's why we can say sexual dimorphism. Sexual dimorphism is seen in nematodes. Next, female is larger and longer. Next, internal fertilization takes place. Next, cleavage is spiral and determinate type. Determinate type. Next, next, common members. जब फर्स्ट टाइम डिस्कशन कले शेरिगन्स एनसाइक्लोस्टोमा विचेरिया बानक्रोफ्टी and Ascaris lumbricoides. Right? See, sexual dimorphism means male and female are distinguished from each other. That's why they are separated through their morphological appearance. Female is larger and longer. Internal fertilization means fertilization or formation of a zygote takes place inside the body. That's why internal fertilization. Cleavage means see. Cleavage, it is a type of mitotic division of zygote where it divides, it increases without its size. Means although the size of zygote remains constant, but here number of blastocysts will be developed. So cleavage means see. This is zygote, and here division will be takes place, which is called spiral. Means rotation of blastomere takes place, and as head map can be determined, that's why it is determinate type. Common members include C. elegans, Encyclostoma, Wicheria, Ascaris lumbricoides. Here another thing is there. These are either oviparous or viviparous. Those are egg-laying animals. Egg-laying animals are called oviparous, and young-laying animals are viviparous. So here development is mostly direct. Direct development means without fertilization, development may be seen. So this is all about your nematohelminthes. Next, you should write few questions for practice. What you have learned till now? Short answer type questions. First, write a note on canal system. Next, what do you mean by alternation of generation? Alternation of generation. Next, justify cylinders. Justify cylinders shows cellular level of organism. Next, describe parasitic adaptation. Parasitic adaptation. Better on physiological basis. Next, what is development? Write its types. So these are short answer type questions. Last class I very short answer type question. Write a note on canal system. So what is canal system? Where it is found? What is its significance? What are different types? What do you mean by alternation of generation? Means alternation of generation found in which animal, and how its mechanism is takes place. Justify cylinders shows several level of organism. Means what are different types of organism? Means protoplasmic level of organism, so your cellular level of organism, organ level of organism, organ system level of organism is there. And how in case of nidarians or how in case of cylinders, cellular level of organism takes place, you have to explain. Now, describe parasitic adaptation. See, parasite adapt itself, acclimatize itself, adjust itself to survive inside the host body by changing certain characteristics. So, how physiology means study of life processes. Physiology means study of you can say functions of tissue, cell, organ, etc. How physiologically they are adapted, and what is development. What is development? What are its types? ये पांचटा क्वेश्चन रहा ये पांचटा क्वेश्चन आंसर कर